Way to spruce up your backyard, beautify it, and have it easy, this thing is what I would choose.
Have an area in your house, whether it's pool or garden, and this drab looking base is just killing the look of your house. Wait until you see what we were given to change everything. Okay, first of all, this thing is heavy. It's packaged well. It had styrofoam on the top as well. And there is this massive box to put together. Look at this thing. It is literally half my size. It is a monstrosity. But I will tell you, not hard to put together at all. Okay, I didn't do any of the work. Only my husband did. But really, it's not that hard. It all has numbers. It tells you exactly what to do. It comes with a tool. So if you don't have tools like my husband does, no big deal. You can still put this easy thing together. It comes with all that you need. Even this paper, like it shows you what umbrellas fix to here. For instance, if you have a table like this behind me that has the pole in the center and your umbrella only has a pole, that's not gonna work. It's only gonna work with this monster of an umbrella that has its own attachment on the bottom. Okay, now you ask, what are these fun things for? Well, they're for whatever you want it to be. Now, I just brought some of a small box that we're gonna put in here, but you can fill it with rocks. You could fill it with white gravel. You could fill it with those blue crystals, especially because we're by the pool. You can plant in there, meaning it has like the little cactus, you know, those things that don't take a lot of dirt because it has the grates in here. So any of those air plants will work. You could put fake plants in there for all that matters. It is fully consumed a piece of beauty. Now, what is great that I think it is great, it's on wheels. That's right. So even though it is super heavy, I can move it without any problem. And two of the wheels lock into place. So when you do have it in the place that you want it, perfect. Lock it into place and it's not going to shift on you. This thing is going to be amazing. We're going to fill this up, get the umbrella on, and we'll show you exactly what it looks like.